Updating your billing information on MineralTree is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and select the billing information section. This is where you can view and edit your billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new billing details you wish to update. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with payments. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated billing information, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on MineralTree. Regular updates help maintain smooth transactions and account management.